YouTube, this is Trains and Destinations, and today I'm going to unbox this $120 Chromebook. Now this is the Black Friday / Cyber Monday sale at Best Buy. They have many laptops on sale, but this is the one I decided to pick up. So this is the Asus C425 TA. As far as the specs go, they're middle of the road for Chromebooks, but definitely better than the base one. So this has a Intel 8100Y series processor. So it is a I believe a Core i3 8100Y. It has 4 gigs of RAM as well as 64 gigs of storage. It's also available as a 2-in-1, and there are a few other configurations you can get as well. So it does come in the typical Asus box. And then on the back here, it does tell you more of the specs, such as a 4800 or 48 watt hour battery. Sorry, Core M3, not i3, M3 processor. It does have a 14-inch 1080p display. It tells you what your ports are, so on and so forth. So it's not the most expensive Chromebook, but it's definitely more of a premium Chromebook, and arguably for $120, probably, at least on paper, probably one of the better Chromebooks you can get. You know, it's not a, one of your cheap, basic plastic Chromebooks. You know, such as this Samsung. This is sort of like, when you think of a cheap Chromebook, this is what you think of, like this 11-inch Samsung, which is actually pretty good for what it is, but it is definitely basic. Meanwhile, this is definitely a step up. All right, so you open the box like that. If you've owned an Asus laptop, it's pretty much the same thing. And then in there, you do get a, I believe it's a 45-watt USB-C charger. All Chromebooks are USB-C. And then take out the laptop. And then, as you can see underneath is all of your paperwork. So, you know, pretty simple box construction. So we don't need to see the paperwork, so we can just put this away for now. And now let's take a look at the laptop. So here it is. To my surprise, it's actually aluminum on top. So it's aluminum top. It is plastic on the bottom. You got your speakers here. Pretty basic design. Like I said, it is available as a 2-in-1, but this particular one is not. And then just opening it up real quick. Yeah, you can see, not bad. For a premium looking Chromebook, it's actually not bad. So you got very thin bezels. You got a full keyboard, decent travel, as well as a very, very large trackpad. So it's not bad. Now, that is a pretty old processor, as you can see, in 8th gen. So based on my preliminary research, this will get support through the middle of 2026. So not bad, but also not as good as other Chromebooks. But I'll probably do a follow-up video to determine how long this will get support up to. And then before I end off this quick video, you can see your ports here on the side. You just got one USB-C, and you got micro SD. And on the left side, you got full-size USB, another USB-C, which is nice, and then a headphone jack. And as you can see, this does have the sort of ergo lift hinge that most Asus laptops come with nowadays. As you can see, it is pretty thin, a little flexible on the base here, but like I said, the lid is aluminum. So on the whole, I'm a fan of this design. It's pretty lightweight, pretty compact, and definitely premium feeling. And I think especially for $120, at least on the surface, this looks to be really good. So anyway, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Asus Chromebook C425T.